Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Do you have eyes for a great investment with steady stream of income? Well, this multifamily two-story building is ideal for you. This home consists of 5 self-contained, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with living, dining, kitchen, porch and laundry area. This residential subdivision is ideally located just 5 minutes from Savannah Mar town. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 90 million or US $585,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.